So picture this, you've just learned how to build a PC after months of research, and you're ready to build your dream PC based on the budget that you have in mind. So where do you begin? Choosing the right parts for your PC build can be really daunting, especially when there's hundreds of brands and numerous models out there. And this is where RigBuilder comes in. It's our system configurator developed by Flex Studios, giving you the best prices from Amazon. One of the most attractive features of RigBuilder is that you don't need to specifically know the exact brand or model of those PC parts. With RigBuilder, all you need is 3 criteria: the budget you have in mind, your preferred CPU, and your preferred graphics card. Once you've entered your preferences and hit the submit button, RigBuilder will then go to Amazon to compile a list of 5 products from each category that will best match your criteria. You can now select an item from that list, and once you're happy with that choice, hit the Buy All button, where it will take you to a summary page of all the items you've selected. And when you're ready to buy, just add the cart to proceed to the Amazon checkout. I know, you don't have to buy from Amazon, but at least to give you an idea of what you can get based on your budget. You can give RigBuilder a try at funkykit.com/RigBuilder. We hope RigBuilder will make the process of buying PC parts much easier. It's free to use and is available in all countries where Amazon is supported. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to visit our website at funkykit.com for more news, reviews, and hot tips.